afternoon, guys. So I thought I'd make a little video about the 10 things I learned from my first multi-day hike. Did the test way over 3 days. Check out the video if you want to see what we get up to, what happened. It's a great walk, I'd recommend it. I didn't quite finish it, so if you want to see that in the video, it's worth checking out. So I'll get into it then. Number 1, pack light. So I overpacked. Filled my backpack and it was 16 kgs. I bought extra batteries for my cameras and bought too much food. Didn't eat half the food. So you will find that jerky, loads of these meals left. Still 2 bags of trail mix I made. We were walking through rural country areas, but there was plenty of places to stop, so we tended to stop and have food. And I think that if you're planning to walk quite an excessive miles, if there's the chance to do that, maybe just plan it in a bit so you don't have to carry as much, because that's quite a weight to carry, especially the food. Fixing the door there. The second thing was pack for warmth. It was early summer. The weather was nice. It rained. It wasn't too cold, but at night time the temperature dipped quite a bit, and I had the Snug Pack Travel Pack 1 sleeping bag, which fits down quite well, with a comfort rating of 7 degrees and a low of 2 degrees. And yeah, it was really good. Kept me warm enough, but I found that the temperature dipped down that night to around 9 degrees, 9 or 8. So I woke up a bit cold during the night, so I had to layer up a bit more. Which was, once I was layered up, I was fine. I slept well. So yeah, that was cool. As I kind of said earlier, the right backpack for the job. So I have a Osprey Atlas LT65 and really good backpack strapping. So with this mesh bit at the back, it creates like a air can flow through, so you don't get as sweaty. Really comfortable. These wrap right around you, so take a bit of weight on your hip, and with all separate pockets. So here I had my tent in the top, and everything else went in there. I put my waterproofs in the front. Had my rain cover in there, which comes with the pack. And in here I kept some food and other bits and pieces I needed. So brilliant pack. Recommend it. Dead comfy to wear. Number 4, prepare for a change of plan. So your plan can change. Just if it starts to, your feet get sore or the weather turns bad, then just look on your route where you're going and decide whether you can divert off at any point. The last thing you want to do is walk to the middle of nowhere and suddenly realise, I'm not going to get back from here. So always have a plan B, really. And yeah, just go with the flow a bit. We had bad weather, and by the time, the last day was going to be torrential rain, so I was like, well, if we walk to Andover, then we can come back there easily and start again. So yeah, just prepare for a change of plan. Number 5, underpants, undercrackers, boxers, whatever you like to call them. Anti-chafe ones are definitely the way forward. My friend Vaughn, he wore those, no issues. I didn't. I just took whatever pair came to my hand, and yet chafing. So not fun at all. So right on undercrackers for the right job is sound advice. And that leads me on to number 6, socks. So I had Decathlon hiking socks, and they worked really well. Then I had just some normal hiking socks, which did the trick too, but the Decathlon ones I found I had no blisters and really comfortable, and worked a treat. You're obviously going to get blisters if you walk a certain amount of miles, but it's to be expected. But yeah, the Decathlon ones, the actual hiking ones, they had like 2 layers. Yeah, I'll maybe show you them in another video at some point. They were great. Number 7, pillow. So I've got the Trespass travel pillow, which comes out. So you want to have a good night's sleep. So it's really important you buy a pillow that's comfortable. I found this pillow really comfortable. I am a 2-pillow sleeper, so I ended up putting some clothes underneath it just to bulk it up a bit. But this actual little pillow was really, really warm, really nice and comfortable. So yeah, it was good. But being a 2-pillow sleeper, I had to put something underneath it to bulk it up a bit. But yeah, it was good. Number 9, breaks. So definitely stop and have some breaks. We tended just to hit it, and I think if we had to stop for more breaks, we probably could have put a few more miles in. We stopped for lunch and food, but we didn't stop for a beverage, I think, as well, and that was it really. I think we kind of pushed it, pushed the miles, especially on the old railway path, which was very boring. We pushed on. But actually, we probably should have stopped for a couple of breaks and just relaxed for a bit. But yeah, we wanted to get the miles in and get to the campsites. I think we're always with the end goal in mind. But yeah, and most importantly, number 10, have fun, enjoy yourself. If you set off and suddenly it's not fun, just rethink it and either shorten your journey, knock it in the head, or do something else. Don't just push on once it's no longer fun. The most important thing is getting outside and enjoying yourself and having fun. The weather's unpredictable, so the weather changes and you're not really prepared. Don't push on if you haven't got the gear, because you're just going to be miserable, especially in the wet rain. And depends how much you've camped and things. If you haven't done much camping, don't just push on and camp in torrential rain, because you won't enjoy it and might put you off doing it in the future. So you're better just going with the flow and make sure you enjoy yourself, and I highly recommend it. It was the first time, so hopefully I'll be out to do some more. I think the next one we're planning is the Itchen Way. I'm still doing the Shipwrights Way in stages, but I think I might do the footage and put it all up together. And the Alan King Way, which is, I think, to do a bit more of that. I think I'm halfway through that one, so there'll be footage of that eventually. But yeah, get outside, enjoy yourself, get out into the fresh outdoors, enjoy the summer. Talk to you soon.